Okay, Michael, we always, first of all, 90% of our deals come from mortgage brokers.
Yes.
We love working with mortgage brokers. Let's be honest, we're making this good. Get the sign in. Oh, like the video, ask questions, subscribe to our channel. Again, you'll get a lot of information. If you ask questions, we'll answer them the best that we can. Happily. What we were talking about before is brokers are having a hard time closing deals. We're having a hard time closing deals, okay? I'm not BSing you. It's tough out there to close deals. Everyone I know in the industry is the same boat. But we always talk about niches. And closing loans for HOA and condo association is a niche. What did you say, Michael, before we made the video?
I said right now, people really care about how can I make money? That's really the focus. And I think it's important, right now real estate's very hard. Interest rates are, on the verge of coming down or staying the same. But for the most important part is the loans that are sort of not closing.
By the way, I want to go into it. I know the feds keep talking about coming down, but the reality is lenders are not lending. We hear all the time, it's tougher to get a term sheet.
Yeah.
We heard, I think it was yesterday, the day before, a loan got to closing and the lender just disappeared, didn't wire.
It's happening more now than ever.
But it happens, we hear that every day of the week.
But my point to all that is these HOA deals, it's different. It's a different animal. The need is much more important than someone just closing on a refi or getting a better rate. We're talking about a building could face possible evictions where they may not be able to operate the HOA if there's certain issues with balconies or permits or things that are wrong. So the CapEx that's needed for these HOA deals is a necessity where it's the timing. They don't have the time to wait, so these deals are easily closed. And I almost want to push the brokers to look into pounding down the doors of HOAs and seeing if anyone in it, whether it's an HOA for real estate like retail, office. We got one right now where it's a whole bunch of retail where they need new roofing.
You're right.
And new things like that.
Good point.
It doesn't have to just be residential.
Yeah, it could be industrial or office condos.
Yeah. But I don't want to call it easy for us, but they're much easier to approve and underwrite as far as closing goes very quickly. So it's another form of the broker making money.
I think from a broker's point of view, what I want to convey to brokers, it's a niche that's underserved, that most brokers aren't doing because they don't understand it. And call us, we'll explain it to you. We do a lot of them. We've been doing them for 20 years or so. It's a niche. Brokers can make money, and they're usually have-to deals, not want to.
That's what I mean. Yeah, they have to get done.
Yeah, they have to get done. So whether they go with us or someone else, they have to. And the reality is there's not such a rate difference between us and a bank at this point. We just closed the deal yesterday. I'm getting my timing maybe yesterday, I think. And we charge a 12% rate. But banks are out there for clean deals at 10.5. By the way, this association couldn't go to a bank. They were thrilled to get the 12, and we did, I think, on that one a 6 or 7 year self-amortizing deal. I forget the details.
That's right.
But we are big on helping brokers make money, and we're big, and we've done a lot of videos on niches. And we think that. By the way, this is Michael's idea, that HOA and condo associations are a fantastic niche for brokers. They can make money very quick.
And there's a lot of things that need to be fixed. That's what I'm finding out. There's a lot of things.
And in Florida, they recently passed a law that's requiring HOA and condo associations to do the work. So there's a lot of pressure on these associations. And the reality is, they just need to get it done. If not, they're going to be in big trouble, and the directors are going to face a lot of personal liability. So there's a lot of deals out there, and they're to be honest with you, they're really not that hard to do. They don't require a lot. We do all the processing. What else?
There's really not much. It's the board members, and most of the time when we get the deal, they already have it approved. They're just trying to find the money. And a lot of times right now, they thought they could go to a bank. The banks are not doing the deals. And I think the deal that gentleman got from a bank was principal and interest. His payment was very high. Our payment would have been less. So I think when it comes down to it, sometimes you look at the overall, you need the money quick, you don't mind paying a little bit more in rate.
Okay, I think we said it. Check us out at geltfinancial.com. Remember, when your bank says no, we say yes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I see Michael's moving over so you can see our little placard there. I think I paid $100 or $199 right when COVID began. We're making our money out of it.
Yep.
Take care. Have a great day. And remember, we're here to help brokers.
Call anytime.
Call anytime. We work with brokers. We love brokers. If you have any ideas that you want us videos to make to help mortgage brokers, let us know. We'll do it. We talk to brokers all day long. Take care and have a great day. Okay.